I'm on a new account, and today we're gonna try playing rivals on this new account. I'm sorry for the voice in the background. And we're gonna play rivals.
मैले वाली मेरी बास्केट में डाल दो
अच्छा
अरे अंदर ये पड़ी है बास्केट ये भी उठाओ ना ये ला
किधर so guys okay by the way we're gonna play rivals. If you guys remember, like this video and sorry about my grandma. Let's get started. Begin activity level 1. Let's see. This begin activity might be level 1 Okay, guys, we're gonna start video. Sorry. अच्छा ठीक है बंक बेड में sorry about that. I'm trash at phone. If you want to go, you can get there. It's gonna be 1v1, I guess. I'm leaving. No. Sorry. I'm playing another game. Be-do-dee-da. Dee-do-dee-da-dee-do-dee-dee-dee-dee. I'm not really bad at this game. Let's see. Oh my god. Okay, good. This is starter. Okay. I'm really good at this game on my other account. And I will play on my other account because I am on level. There are different levels in this game, and I'm on level 7. I'm ready to go. So I should be able to do this, but it took me practice. Oh yeah. And by the way, if you guys are playing this game, this free bike on this corner, and it says free, it's actually not free. So go to buy it. It's not free. I took it out of my other account. Okay, I'm really bad on this. So let's try. Let's try. Hi, I didn't touch it. That's not fair. Now this is fair. Yeah, this is just fair because I'm gonna get ahead of this one. Oh, this is tricky. I remember I played this with my friend on my phone. If you guys know Forsaken like this video, I know Forsaken. Let's get back onto the video. Okay, so this part is gonna be tricky. So what you want to do is go like that. You should go one step quietly. Like that. And then you're gonna let's go ultra speed if you want to like this. But I don't like ultra speed. I'm just gonna show you guys because I did that first try with ultra speed. It's because I told you guys I was a pro on the other account. I just wanted the speed on that account. So I did ultra. And I actually did. No! I'm speed on this like ultra. This spot was very tricky on my other account. I got it now. Okay, I'm not really a big fan of it. I'm gonna speed on this. Never mind. I think I have to do this legit. This spot is very tricky. But as you guys know, a goat, big fan. Just comment down and I'll answer it as possible. As fast as I can. If you guys want to talk to me, if you're a big fan, just comment down below. I'm a big fan. Because you won't be able to see the next part. Just joking. Around 8:33. Who wants me to? Okay, as you can see, world. I'm on world. No, I mean, no more 6. I'm on world 73. But that's really hard. You guys do not want to go. World 73. I'm done all the game modes. I'm just you can just one more level on my other account to almost beat this. I will beat this. Once we get to level, the first level is. And you guys can see this speed run. Zoom in will be better. I'm not really good at phone, that's why. But zoom in is really good. Zoom out a little so you can Okay guys, I'm locked in. Look. No! I can see that. She made it. Oh. Yeah, I think I should zoom out for this. For some level, this zooming in is really good. No joke. If you guys are on level 73 or 72 or 70, comment down below because that is really hard to beat. So I'll help you. And I'll show you an example how to beat that. I'll just have to walk. I finally made a video. So if you guys like it, like, comment below. And sorry about all the noise again. I almost completed. Okay guys, see, if this game is small, I am very, very sorry. With this, you have to zoom out so you can see the way and the path. Oh no! I'm almost at 2 points. I'm almost the world champion of this game. Yep. You guys have it. I'm the champions. I'm almost the champions. I'm the second. I'm the first champions. I'm not the second, just joking. Why would I be the second? I'm literally on the last day. The last level. And this level is gonna be really tricky. I never played this. I asked my brother for a little help, but now I'm okay. This is gonna be the easiest level, and I don't know how I died. I was a little pro. My mom said I should make videos. So here I come. I made videos. Screen me right now from Jandel and Sammy's update. In the next video, when I complete it and go to level 73 on this new account, I'll make a video of Sammy's. And please like this video and subscribe. Welcome to news time. That's joking. I'm not gonna play to win Robux. I did. If you guys want me to play Bloxburg, even if you know it, comment down below and I'll play Bloxburg in my next video. If you guys want me to, I'm not gonna play it. You guys don't. If you guys don't want me to, I will not do. I'm gonna battle guys. When we reach level 90, I'm gonna stop this video. Sorry. And next video we'll stop at level 2's 90. Man, guys, Actually 60. This is a 14-minute video. I mean 15. You guys, you still have a long time. And I'm really bad at this. What? How exactly do that? Guys, I'll be good. I'll let you guys watch this video until like 60 minutes and 59 seconds. Basically 17 minutes. Negative level 70. I'll stop this video. In the next video, we'll get level 2. And we will. I promise. And the video's almost done, guys. Wait, what? That looks like my brother. Looks like the other level. Is this? Yeah, it's the other level. Come on. We might be stuck on this level. For this level. Now guys. World events. These are all the events. And maybe I'll stop you guys see World 1 current and World 2, World 3. I'll stop making videos like this on World 3 and start again on my birthday because you guys are really special to me. Guys, 2 more levels until this video can be stopped. I'm very sorry. Never mind, my calculations are wrong. 1 more. Guys, I'm really sorry. So sorry. I have to end this video. But I won't do this really quick. This video is gonna be 18 minutes. Yeah, this is definitely my brother. Bro, stop! Yep. Oh my god. Guys, I'm really sorry. Guys. Progress to level 20. Bye bye guys. Do you want me to do